So as I finish boil my soup and share with everybody food, I am finding the turmeric in the bottom of the pot. So I decided to do a video to show you something. I had turmeric, okra, and Irish mash in this soup. That's something that a lot of people may not put into their soup. I made a goat head soup the other day with lentil peas, Irish mash, and etc. You know, the regular things that people put in soup. And they, up to this day, you have people telling me that's not how goated soup should cook. All right, so this is my page, and I'm not gonna stuck in my traditional and try not to change things my way. This is my way. You do you and me do me, and this is my page. I choose to share this with my Donna. Up to this day, you're still having them telling me that's not how goated soup cook. You go and do research on dumpling, and I'm gonna tell you, do your research on turmeric, okra, Irish mash, and lentil peas. I put these things in my soup because they have a lot of value to my body. Dumpling and yam does not do nothing for you. So when I'm doing my thing, don't come in my comment section and tell me, oh, that's not how we cook. That's not how your grandparents cook it. That's not how my grandparents cook it, but that doesn't mean I cannot cook the way I choose to do what I want to do and how I want to do it.